crafters, I am Handmade, and today I would like to share with you the recipe of coconut soap. Primarily I did it because my sons have really sensitive skin and he can't use the normal washing liquid or even the conditioner. So then I had to learn to do it for him, and now it's the recipe. We need a bowl, glass bowl, a wooden spoon, a scale, lye, which is caustic soda. You can find it on construction shop. I found it here close to home on the construction shop. And this caustic soda, it's the drain cleaner, and these ones contains sodium hydroxide 99 to 100%. Have it to be like this. Under this you can't use it for skin or for your laundry or anything. You need also 1 kilo of coconut oil. Measure a temperature checker. The hand blender. Water to mix the lye together. Gloves and glasses for safety. Now, we need here, sorry, I forgot to switch on, 308 ml of water, I will take excess because it was too much. No, I took too much. Okay. 208 ml of water. Cold water, because the lye will heat up enough in the process, so don't need at all warm water. Just cold water, it's okay. And then I use this container to measure the lye because it's acidy and I don't want to mix up with other things. So you need 146 grams of lye. The mixture, I will do it outside because we'll let some gases, which it's not healthy, and have it to be on open air. And during this time I will heat up the coconut oil and have it to be at 90 degrees. So I will measure it later on, and now we go outside. Now you mix the lye on the water. Don't forget to mix it, because then they will become a stone on the bottom if you don't mix, and then it's for nothing. I did already heat up the coconut oil, and I did pour inside the crock pot. I said before it's 90 degrees, but if you have between 75 to 90 degrees, that's fine. So will work well the same way. Now carefully to don't spill on yourself, you put the lye inside the oil. Don't forget all things you are using for with lye, you have to put into water with vinegar later on after you finish, because then you cut the effect of the lye. So now it's together, and with the hand blender you blend it up to get kind of a hand cream texture. Now, as you see, it's they have the hand cream consistency. Can you put the camera close here, please? So it's very thick now. I think it's about 5 to 7 minutes with the hand blender. Now you close and leave it for about 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes I have this pH tester, and you can get it online on, I think even on the pet shop you can find it. And the pH have to be between 7 and 10. And when it's between these, the soup is made. Then you can put in the forms or you spread on the box. I will show you how we use that in a few minutes. And you can also use the essential oil. I will use tea tree oil because I love the smell and they have lots of good properties. And when the soup is done, not now, and when the soup is done in 45 minutes, I will put the tea tree essential oil, and then we're done. So time to time you have to check inside the pan, and then the soup will do like this, and then you mix up to check it up how it is. It's looking good though. And I don't think this one will need 45 minutes. I will have to be checking like each 10, after 20 minutes I will check each 10 minutes. So now I will check. It's not done yet, but just to show you, I will try. See, it's very, very dark. It means it's still on 12. It's still 12. So you have to wait up to get between 7 to 10. So I will wait more 10 minutes and try again. I will test now again, and we will see. How you can see, it's already on 8, so we can now switch off the pan and start to put on the forms. Now it's off. I was forgetting already. I have to put the tea tree because the smell it's really nice and have a lot of good properties into it. So I will put the essential oil. I will put 2 of these. They fill up to the only into middle, so I will put 3. See, it's just come up to here, so I will put a lot because I like it. Now mix up again. The smell it's really good. Now just fill the forms. I have these forms of silicone and it's the best ones because it's easy to take out and you can't use metal forms because it will damage the properties of the soap. So, or you do something with you can cover the box or shoe box or a baking tray with baking paper, and then you put the soup in, and if you do it one whole piece, if you don't have the small forms like me, and when they cool down you cut with the knife, a sharp knife, because if you wait too long will be too hard to cut, because this soup it's really hard. The coconut soup you can use, it's multifunctional. You can use it to wash hands, you can use it for the whole body when you have a shower, you can use it for hairs, you can use it for wash dishes, and when you do as liquid, I will show you later on how I do the washing liquid. You can use it also to cleaning the floor, and it's really multi-purpose. So, and each soup have about 80 grams, so it's really cheap to do it at home. And if you buy it on shop, it's about 4 to 5 euro each 100 gram of this soap, and when you do it at home it's 1 euro 50 cents. So I think it's really good, and the full recipe will be on the description down, and please don't forget to subscribe and enjoy.